Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to come do an unboxing. I just got my Jolie mixed media kit in, and I want to show you what I'm going to be working with for this month. Now guys, I'm rather excited about this. This is the July 2024 kit. I'm going to just start right off the bat. I do have a stencil. It's a 6x6 stencil, and I'll have all links down below for you guys to get your hands on the kit. So it's a 6x6 stencil from Frantic Stamper Ink, and I don't have anything from them. Let's take a look. So vintage floral. So very nice, pretty floral, can be so useful, and it's in a 6x6, so that's fun. Now I also got this. This is from Prima. It is Prima Memory Hardware Parisian Arch Shutter. Guys, I have two pairs of spectacles in here, and yeah. So it's a Parisian arch shutter. This is so interesting to me. Here's an idea somebody did with it. Decorate and add a glorious window shutter to any of your memory hardware albums. Well, let's see what we're going to do. I want to just get a vibe for it, and then, you know, I can start designing in my head for it. Come in. Your memory hardware projects. I guess this is my first memory hardware project. It's nice and protected at least. Okay, so we've got literally a set of shutters. There's a little white scuffiness on it. And you open it up and there's actually cute little hardware in there. Guys, this would be so cute to go like this and have a little scene. Okay, no idea what I'm doing, but I love that. Now we also got this very sturdy MDF board. It is in the shape of a house. It'll be interesting to come up with a fun little project to go with that. Got some ideas brewing, so that's fun. Now, what to show you next? Okay, this is also from Prima Melange. I cannot speak French in any way. I just laugh. They're little art pebbles, and I think it's diamond. There's 110 pieces in here, and they are various sizes. Let's see. Oh, let's see if I open right here. Can we get in here? Okay, let's see what we have. Oh, wow. So there's a slight like color cast to them. They're so pretty, and they're quite dramatic. So we have lots of different sizes, and they are beautiful. They're faceted. So that's going to be an interesting touch. We'll see what we do there. Lovely. And then we've got from Tim Holtz Ranger Distress Texture Paste. It's translucent. Oh, I'm doing a sniff. Very little scent, and it's going to be translucent, so that's fun. And what we also have, we have 4. These are Pearl X, and they are pigments. And you guys, I'm so excited. This one is orange, or naranja. At least I know how to speak some Spanish. They're made in the USA. Who knew? So they're from Pearl. We have pumpkin orange. And I'm intending to do a little swatcheroo in a second. So we have pumpkin orange. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. We have, this one is rose, oh, salmon pink. There's a bunch of languages on the back. So we have salmon pink. And guys, I'm coming up with so many ideas of things to do with this. I cannot wait to get messy and play. Oh my word, look at that. Would y'all look at it? So dramatically pearly and gorgeous. And then we have, what color is this? Brilliant yellow. It's brilliant. It is a brilliant yellow color. There you go. Quite brilliant. Nice. And then finally, we have a green, but oh no, the pigment is attacking my hand. Hold on. Then finally, I have, what is this green called? It's called spring green. Spring green. And then finally, I have spring green. Come on. Come on, you little whippersnapper. I don't like to wreck these parts. Look at that. Okay, gorgeous. So I'm going to mix a little tiny bit. What I did, because I was a little worried that I'd get it everywhere, I'm going to mix a tiny bit onto just some plain white cardstock. Let me go ahead and get a palette knife. And I'm going to go ahead and get a napkin. I use my napkins until they just keel over. All right, I'm going to grab a little Distress texture paste. And I'm planning on going 1, 2. And I know it would be even better if I did it through a stencil. We will see. Okay, so I just grabbed some blobbies of texture paste because what I wanted to do is do the smallest sprinkle. And what can I do to get the smallest little sprinkle? You know what I'll do? I'll actually get my little spoon here. Let me go in with green first. And I'm only doing a yibbit, okay? Let me wipe that off. And then I'll go and grab a little sip of our yellow tone. Our brilliant yellow. I'm gonna put a little tiny bit of that in. And I mean, really just love to always see what I'm working with for the month. I like to swatch. Swatching makes me happy. And I'm gonna move the orange over just a tiny bit to over here. Oh, that's probably way too much, but that's right. This is how we get to know what we have. And then we will come in with a pop, I tell you, of pink. And then I can give it a good smear on the board and we can get a little bit better idea of what color we're dealing with. Let me wipe more of that off so we don't get in the mix too much. Come on. Try not to take too much. I'm being all greedy with my product. There we go. All right, so that's this stitch. It's all on there. Now let's just give it a nice little mixy mix and see what these pigments want to do. Now, there are so many ways you can use pigments, guys. Doing pigments with a little splash, ooh, that is freakishly fun. Doing pigments with a little splash of water happens to be one of my favorite things. I'll go like that. Just, oops, because I wanted to see what my stencil would look like. Let me wipe that off. Ooh, yep, I came in with a lot of the pink. Should we do it again? I think so. How fun is that? My swatches are actually, oh, that is beautiful. If my swatches go through, that's even prettier. Let me try to get some of this orange back over. Oh, that's pretty. I've got some ideas and I want to try these pigments with some different mediums as well. I'm of course going to do this. You know, look at that. So truly I needed more of the green. I needed more of the green. And look at our orangey orange mixed up as well as through a stencil. And then finally, now I'm thinking I don't have enough yellow like I should have had because, you know, we're learning as we go. I only had a yibbit of the green and it wanted me to have more. And I thought I was using too much. All right, let me find, let's see, a nice big spot over here to go through with the yellow. So pretty. Okay, so I've got some gorgeous colors to work through. I totally needed to have just a little bit more green. I'm gonna regret what I'm doing. Hold on. I needed a little bit more green when I was going through it. And I was not aware of my situation. You know what? I'm gonna go through with the yellow and the green because I don't want to waste any more product. So we're gonna get a little mix, which also teaches me something too. Ooh, all right, it's going kind of olivey. I dig that. Let me go through now. Okay, so I've got some pretty darn fun swatching with both my translucent texture paste as well as my pigments. Oh my gosh, guys, isn't that cool? So cool. All right, that's what I have for you today. Down below for an unboxing, down below I will have links for where you can get your hands on the kits. There's also the blog and the Facebook group so you can see what everybody is doing with this. I am guest designing last month for June as well as for July. So I am having a ball learning about this company and about the different products they have. And I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.